Wildfires and house fires can strike without warning. Are you prepared to evacuate quickly and protect your home? In today's video, we'll cover a simple fire evacuation checklist to keep you and your loved ones safe. First, create an emergency bag. Include essentials like water, food, medications, important documents, and a change of clothes. Don't forget pet supplies if you have animals. Next, prepare your home. Clear debris and flammable materials at least 30 feet from your house. Seal vents and ensure windows and doors are fire-resistant. Keep tools like a fire extinguisher and hoses ready for immediate use. Plan your escape route. Identify multiple exit routes from your home and neighborhood. Practice evacuation drills with your family to ensure everyone knows what to do. Finally, stay informed. Monitor local emergency alerts and have a communication plan in place to stay connected with family members. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.